And welcome back to another episode of Taraz Toolbox. And today what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys how to load the staples into this Milwaukee crown stapler. So first thing you want to do for safety reasons is take out the battery. And the reason why you take the battery out because you don't want this thing to shoot you in the eyeball while you're putting the staples in. Okay? So second thing you need to do is go to the bottom of the stapler. It's going to be a clip in here. You mash the clip down like that and it'll pop out. Inside here is where you load the staples at. Okay? So first thing you want to do is take out your staples, hold them this way. Not this way, but this way. They go in here flat. So once you get them in here like this, you drop it in and then you take the clip and you push it back up till you hear it click. Now you're ready to shoot staples, but first you got to put your battery back in, and now you're ready. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now if you wanted to take the staples out, the same thing in reverse. Just press these two clips and you just lean it forward and the staples will fall right out. And that's how you load and unload staples into the Milwaukee M12 crown stapler. So if you like what you saw, you like what you heard, go ahead and subscribe. I got more videos coming out where I'm reviewing other things, and I also got another video where I did a review on this stapler. I talked about all the features that it has. Go and check that out. So make sure y'all subscribe, and I'm out of here. Peace.